Hi boys and girls, so we are now on lesson 4, and so make sure everybody is on lesson 4. You are going to do a couple different activities on this lesson, and so I'm just going to briefly go through those with you. You should have also already watched the video AM and PM lesson, so you have an idea that we are going to be talking about morning and afternoon, AM and PM. And I do have this review lesson on here. It starts from the beginning. This was given by Monica Yaskitis, and she made this great PowerPoint, and I wanted to share that with you. She did a great job with this, and it goes through everything that we've already discussed, as well as what we are currently discussing on lesson 4. Okay, so the activities are very easy for this lesson. There's a lot of videos just to help you understand the concept of morning and afternoon. There's 2 videos that I want you to watch. And the main activity that I want you to do is you're going to click on this, and it's called Timeline. And this is a very easy and great resource that I think everybody can do. We are going to organize our day by time. So I'm just going to show you a brief example. This is a timeline by Tiana, and it shows 6 a.m. she woke up. 6:15 she ate breakfast. 6:30 she brushed her teeth, and 7 o'clock she went to school. She just did this for her morning routine. We're going to do an all-day activity. So what we're going to do is I would like everybody to go in here, and they're going to write their name, and you're going to title your project My Day. Okay, and what you're going to do then is hit start down here at the bottom. This is very easy. So when you go over here, this is the morning time, and as your day goes, you're going to continue to go down this timeline, and this will be to the point where you go to bed. So I would suggest everybody click this first one right here, and you're going to put wake up, because that's the first thing you do every morning. Wake up, and the most important thing you're going to put is the time. So whatever time you wake up, maybe you wake up at 7:30. Don't forget AM, because that means morning. Okay? You're just going to press that check like I got it. Yep, wake up at 7:30. Okay? And then you get to move this wherever you want. I would not put it all the way over here, because as you can see, it lines up down here. We're going to put it down here with the beginning. So go ahead and just click wherever you'd like to place it. And then you are going to move down here, and I would recommend at the end, the last thing you do at the end of the day is go to bed or go to sleep. And let's say your bedtime is 8:30 p.m. So you're going to put that in there, and as you can see, that's going to be the end. So you're going to have your morning right away, move throughout your day, and end on going to bed. Okay? I want to see 5 different things. I gave you 2. I want you to add 3 different things. It could be eating lunch. It could be getting on the bus. It could be doing your homework. Whatever you do on a normal daily basis, but make sure you add that time. When you are done and you have 5 things on your timeline, you're going to press this button down here, Finish. And I would like everybody to print this. Okay? It has your name if you put your name on it, and the title of your timeline, and you're going to print this. It's going to go to the printer, collect that, and bring it to me when you're complete. I will check it to make sure you have 5 things, and we'll go from there. Okay? So very easy. Work hard on this. Practice your typing skills, typing those times. Don't forget AM and PM. That's very important. Keep working hard, everyone.